Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your car's fuel tank. First, locate the fuel door release mechanism inside your vehicle. This is often a small lever on the floor near the driver's seat or a button on the dashboard. Some modern cars also have a release button on the key fob. Once located, activate it to pop open the fuel door. After the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. Most caps simply unscrew by turning them counterclockwise. For some vehicles, you might need to push down slightly before turning to release it. You may hear a small hiss as the pressure equalizes, which is completely normal. Once loose, remove the cap and place it securely. If your fuel door doesn't open, first ensure your car is completely unlocked, as some systems link the fuel door to the central locking. Sometimes, the release mechanism can get stuck. A gentle push on the fuel door while activating the release might help. If issues persist, your car's owner's manual will provide specific troubleshooting steps. For situations where the primary release fails, most cars include an emergency fuel door release. This is typically found inside the trunk, often behind a small panel or near the fuel tank's location. Look for a small lever or cord to pull. Remember, for your safety and to prevent accidents, always ensure your car's engine is completely off before you begin refueling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.